Public sector employers, the NHS, many third sector organisations, and any businesses that recruit large numbers of graduates or placement students will usually require you to use their own application form. It's important to be prepared, so we've created this short recording to help you get started. Employers often provide guidance on how to complete the application form, so make sure you read that thoroughly before you begin. Then download the form or copy the questions into a Word document. Make sure you've also downloaded and saved both the job description and the person specification. Why? Well, these will often disappear from the website once the deadline has passed, but are super important when preparing for an interview. Before you start writing, carefully read the job description and person specification to identify the skills and experience needed for the position. You need to decide on specific examples that demonstrate how you've applied these skills in real-life scenarios, as providing evidence rather than just making claims is vital. Application forms usually ask you to type your answers into text boxes that have a word or even a character limit. Making a draft in Microsoft Word lets you check that your answer is of the correct length, and you can also check your spelling and grammar as you write. The person specification outlines the knowledge, skills, and personal attributes the recruiter is looking for in their ideal candidate. The criteria are divided into two categories, essential and desirable. Do read the person specification carefully and address each point in your personal statement. Focus on demonstrating that you're a great fit for the job. Top tip: unless you can demonstrate experience of every item on the essential list, then it probably is not worth applying. Some job ads provide the name of an informal contact who you can get in touch with to discover whether your application might be considered. If you believe that you're perfect for the job in every way, apart from missing one criterion, contact this person. The personal statement section of an application form usually asks something like, use this section to demonstrate how you meet the criteria for this position. Or there might be an empty text box with instructions to insert any other information in support of your application. When you're completing this section, treat each point in the person specification like a competency-based question. Prepare an example, evidencing how you used that skill or competency in the past. Don't be afraid to mention your motivations and values and link these to those of the organisation. The STAR technique is a great way to prepare your answer, and we have another short recording showing you how to use it.